Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well, and I'm happy to see you back in today's episode of the TheDubaiExpat YouTube channel. Before we start, a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Casio A168W today that I bought around a year ago. As you may know, I'm a big fan of retro Casio watches. I wear them quite often and they are in my rotation between the luxury pieces. While I start the unboxing, let me explain you why I'm such a big fan of these tiny cheap pieces. Casio introduced the F91W back in 1989 and with that released the first digital watch. Quickly, the F91W became a big success and many other versions with calculators or electronic keyboards followed. The watch is functional, affordable and accurate. So a simple mix of success factors that changed over the years due to the unchanged design to an iconic status and a symbolic design for the 1980s. I would say it is a masterpiece in design, and combined with the impact it created in the pop culture, a watch that deserves, in my view, the same respect as a Rolex or any other popular watch. Back to the unboxing. So I ordered two pieces, as you can see. Both come in an Amazon envelope. We have the A168WEC-3DF to the left, which is the silver version, and the A168WEGC-3DF, which is the gold version. A big manual that explains you all the features. A general guide, which is in my view enough for a quick onboarding to the watch. And the watch, packed in a small plastic bag, sitting on a foam cushion. I remember from my other Casio watches that they came on a plastic stand, but as I anyway keep them in the watch box, no need for the plastic and I'm fine with them sticking to only cardboard. The hang tag that contains the reference again, and another sticker that shows us the improved backlight for the display. Let's remove everything now. And here it is, the Casio A168W. The bracelet is made out of stainless steel. The case is made out of a resin with a chrome coating and the display is covered by a mineral glass. Let's quickly unbox the second one. Same packaging, same manual, same stickers and so on and so on. But this time we have the A168W with a golden finish over the resin case and stainless steel bracelet. The camo around the display is a mix of brown, yellow and green. Oh yeah, this watch definitely looks bonkers. While the silver version is a little bit cold, and I could probably wear it more for sports or outdoor activities. The golden one goes nuts in its design, and I could imagine wearing this for going out for a party night. It will be definitely a winner at every nightclub. Of course, you don't have the classic look of the display with all the text and the blue stripes that are so iconic on the F91W, but I think the case shape and the display itself are more than enough to keep the retro flair with the watch. The camo adds a big touch of modern pop art to the watch, and that's why I wanted to have these two pieces for the collection. I just love the design and I think I'm going to wear them a lot. The bracelet can be quickly adjusted with the help of a small knife or a little key. So you can just slide the lock mechanism to your preferred length, and by that you adjust the bracelet in minutes to your wrist. Let me show you how the watches look on my 6.5 inch wrist. The golden one definitely looks sick. I am still flashed by its look and I'm feeling a little bit like a pimp with it. Let's check the weight. 45 grams for the golden one. And 47 grams for the silver one. The dimensions of the watch are 35.5mm width of the case, 38.3mm lug to lug, 21.2mm at the start of the bracelet, and 13.1mm next to the clasp. The thickness is 9.6mm. Compared to my A158, it is 1mm thicker, but I think that gives the watch a little bit more wrist presence and looks pretty good for it. The watch features an hour, minute, seconds, date and day indication. The features are alarm, stopwatch, and time setting. So while I am setting the time, I want to give you some more info. I ordered both watches on Amazon and they arrived within one day at my home. For the golden one I paid $35 and for the silver one I paid around $21. I think this is an incredible value for money, considering you get an iconic watch that offers you all necessary features. In case you want to order one of these watches for yourself, I will put you the Amazon links into the description. With that you can support the channel, as those links won't cost you anything more, but will give me a small kickback for the promotion. I will end the video with some wrist shots for you and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment or join our Facebook group. And with that, thank you for watching, stay safe and hopefully see you in my next video.